Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to talk about the options you have in selecting the Class C gas motorhome Jayco Redhawk. There are 9 different floor plans in the Redhawk line, 6 Redhawk and 3 Redhawk SE models. The Redhawks come with a Ford E450 chassis, while the Redhawk SE models come with a Chevy 4500 chassis. Redhawks range in length from just over 25 feet to 32.5 feet. Every Redhawk is capable of towing your toad, with the Redhawk having a hitch weight rating of 8,000 pounds and the Redhawk SE having a 5,000 pound rating. All Redhawks have a cab-over bunk capable of sleeping 2 adults, and they all can sleep a minimum of 5. I'm going to start by going through the Redhawk SE models. First one is the Redhawk 22A. The 22A is an efficient Class C designed for the traveling couple. A single slide on the driver's side pulls out the impressive U-dinette and a pantry/wardrobe. In the rear, you'll find a corner camper queen bed sharing the back wall with the bathroom. The kitchen is a sleek, straight-line design and sits on the camp side. Our second Redhawk SE is the 22C. The 22C has taken the camper queen bed, moved it out of the corner to the driver's side, and placed it in its own slide to create a walk-around bed. The bathroom is the same size as the 22A, but now sits on the campsite. You'll find a larger wardrobe along with an efficient pantry and a booth dinette. There's a sleek, straight-line kitchen in this model as well. Next up is the longer 27N. Stretching just over 30 feet, the 27N doesn't have a slide out, but creates a master bedroom on the back end, centering the walk-around camper queen. The bathroom is a walk-through with the shower situated on the driver's side and the rest across from it. The kitchen is also split, so you have a wider walkway through the center of the 27N. The fridge is on the camp side, while an L-shaped counter with a double bowl sink and cooktop are driver's side. The 27N also adds a jackknife sofa across from the booth dinette. With the SE models finished, let's move on to the Redhawk line with its Ford chassis. The 22J has a walk-around camper queen bed in a slide coming off the driver's side with a large wardrobe and adjoining pantry. A booth dinette sits driver's side across from the straight-line kitchen. Next up is the 24B. This is the first Redhawk in the line to have a full wall slide. The U-dinette, wardrobe, pantry, and camper queen bed all pull out on the driver's side. The bathroom has a 30 by 36 inch shower, and the kitchen is a straight line design on the campsite. Up front, you'll also find swivel captain's chairs. Number 3 of the 6 is the Redhawk 25R. This model places the camper queen bed into the campsite corner and shares the back wall with the bathroom. A large living area slide pulls out a booth dinette as well as a jackknife sofa. Across from the sofa sits a large wardrobe and a 50-inch TV. The kitchen has an L-shaped countertop, and the 25R also has an outside kitchen. Next up, the 26D is the only Redhawk with 2 slide-outs, which really help widen the interior. On the driver's side, you'll find a slide containing the booth dinette and jackknife sofa. Campside, the camper queen bed is pulled out on a slide in the rear of the model. Across from the driver's side slide sits the kitchen with a wide countertop. Number 5 of 6 is the Redhawk 29XK. This model has the driver's side slide housing the U-dinette and jackknife sofa that are across from the straight-line kitchen. The bathroom is a walk-through with the shower sitting campside. In the rear, you'll find a walk-around camper queen bed flanked by a wardrobe closet and a nightstand. The final Redhawk floor plan is the Bunkhouse 31F. This model has a large full-wall slide on the driver's side that pulls out the master bedroom's wardrobe closet, booth dinette, kitchen countertop, and cooktop plus twin stacked bunks. The fridge and pantry are next to the jackknife sofa on the campsite. The bathroom has access from the living area as well as private pocket door access from the master bedroom. With the floor plans finished, let's move along to highlight a few features you'll find in a Jayco Redhawk. Inside, you will find an 84-inch ceiling height, residential vinyl flooring, 32-inch LED TV, residential or convection microwave, Jayco exclusive easy operating legless dinette table, interior command center, and cool ducted AC. On the Redhawk exterior, find some camp comfort and convenience with an electric patio awning, rear backup camera, lighted pass-through storage compartment, Onan 4,000 watt micro-quiet generator, outside shower, and more. As you can see, you have plenty of options when deciding what Jayco Redhawk fits your camping needs the best. Ford or Chevy chassis, short or long, couple or family focused, we're sure you'll be able to find the Class C motorhome you want in a Jayco Redhawk.